If you use iMovie and are trying to upload videos to YouTube Shorts, you're probably running into issues with black bars on either side of your vertical video. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can export vertical video in the correct format using iMovie. No extra tools required. Let's dive in. So you open a normal project, drag in your vertical video, and all you're going to do is click on this crop tool and rotate it to one side. It could be left or right, doesn't matter. There it is. You're going to go File, Share, File, name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it blah. Make sure it's in the highest resolution possible for good quality, quality on high, compression, better quality to keep it as good as possible, and export that wherever you like. I like to do it to the desktop. Once it's exported, find the file on your desktop. Mine's here. Instead of double clicking on it, just press space bar.
I want to show you some really cool.
You can see that it's still sideways. You need to rotate it. Up here there's a little rotate arrow. If I click that, it actually takes it the wrong way, but if you hold down the Option key, you can rotate it. If you press space bar again to get out of it and open it up again using space bar, you'll see there's no longer any black bars. Woohoo! Usually when you go into iMovie, you'll select Create New and usually press Movie. This time, I want you to go up to the top to File. Press File and New App Preview. This is a tool usually used by app developers, but we can use it too. So press OK. Once you've imported the footage you want to use, simply drag it to the timeline. Now, nothing really looks different here. But when we export it, you'll see that it's in the correct format. So all you need to do now is File, Share, File. I'm going to call it blah 2 because this is our second version. Make sure it's on the highest resolution possible, high quality, better quality compression. Press Next. Put it to your desktop so it's easy to find or wherever else you want it. Wait for it to export. This bar up here, by the way, shows you the progress of the export, in case you didn't know that. So it's almost done, that circle's almost full. There we go, it's been successful. I'm going to go find that file on the desktop. It's going to be in here, blah 2. Again, I'm going to press spacebar just to preview it. And look at that. It's already in the correct format. No extra steps required. I really hope you found that useful. There's two different techniques. One of them is what a lot of YouTubers are telling you to do. That's the first method, but it's a bit fiddly. And if you ask me, the second method is a lot more straightforward. You just have to know to use the app preview project file. And you export it, don't have to do any rotating, upload straight to YouTube and hopefully shoot up to fame by getting on the Shorts shelf. Good luck, guys, and let me know how you go.